Welcome to this new part on AWS Solution Architect Professional. If you have already subscribed, great. If not, do so. It will help you with AWS, Azure, and GCP, that is your Google Cloud certifications. So actually, the question here, they have this is a company and it has acquired lots of companies. So there are like these companies which got acquired by the parent company. The big box acquired all these three small boxes. So now what would be the way forward? How should this work? So they have acquired it and they are saying we want some portion of isolation. So they need separate resources for each company. They want a charge back mechanism, so each company should pay for its own resources. And they want a single invoice. The invoice should be at the parent company level, and people who are in that acquired company they should have access only to their resources. And then there should be a single identity store to authenticate the developers across all companies. So if you want identity store, we should use this option. It will create that identity store. And for single billing, they should use option A. So there would be one bill for the parent company. So VPC is for addressing security. The problem here is not of security. And C, see, the thing is we want identity store. So C is not an identity store mechanism. And then E says that for billing purpose, we use a tag solution to identify the company that creates each resource. That is not required. When we use consolidated billing, it is at the account level. We don't have to go below that level. At account level is fine. We don't want to go below that level. So we will have this federated identity, and it will have all those kind of trust relationship built in. So this is your trust relationship. So that is why options A and D are our answers. So this is the next one. There is a company, they have like two regions, region one, region two. They have these two regions. Both are active. This active, active, not active, passive. They have a database and some application components. And if there is a regional failure, this guy suppose goes away, this guy should take the load. They want low latency. So failover will not work. It is for active passive. In our case, we are active active. Weighted routing will not work because there is a score, and based on score it routes. So that score is not based on lowest latency. We want lowest latency. D is planning to use CloudWatch setup to promote read replicas to other region for the database. For the database, we want a database specific solution. We don't want a solution where a database is not involved. So E is that solution where a database is involved because you are doing something on RDS to react to the failure, and then Lambda is used to promote. And for lowest latency, you are making use of latency-based routing. So that's our answer, latency-based routing. And we configure RDS and use Lambda for promotion of the read replica. So these are our two answers, C and E. I hope you could understand the concept explained here. This next question. So they have a Windows setup and people should be able to do RDP. People means administrators. So this blue box should be available full time because anybody can do RDP, and they want OS updates to happen within 3 days of release. So that is your requirement in a nutshell. So you need least admin effort to apply latest OS. You need systems manager. So you got it here and here. Which one is correct? So A is wrong, C is correct because A is not least admin effort. You got to put something for Beanstalk. You are creating a custom AMI. See, we are already using an AMI from Marketplace, so that's one less effort here. Other options, they don't even use Systems Manager, but even with other solution, they are not good. B is suited for shared server, and it is not least effort. And D is suitable for conflict management. So this is not a good use case for ops work. We got our answer. We have to use systems manager and auto scaling with 1 to 1. Yes. So this is our answer options. So you have to keep a cool head, spend time to understand the question and options. If you have not subscribed, do so. It will help you with AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure Cloud certifications, entry level, intermediate level, and advanced level. All of these certifications will be catered here.